So it's Thursday, April 26th. Some of the kids are working in the garden. As you can see, the wall's looking pretty good. They were spraying the Simawiki, the kales. There was a bug, there was a disease or something attacking it. Nehemiah, how's that sprayer working?
It works okay.
Good.
Yeah.
And they're planting more Simawiki?
Yeah, they're planting more Simawiki.
Good. The corn looks good. Yeah?
Yeah, the boys were working on it.
And what are they planting up there where she's tilling?
Onions. They will plant some onions there.
So onions, okay.
Yeah.
And what are you doing? Loosening the dirt around the Simawiki?
I will be around this one.
What? What?
Digging.
What?
Digging.
Oh, digging.
Do you know digging?
I know digging, yes.
You said do you dig?
I see you have a new chamba.
Yeah.
Is it working okay?
Yeah.
Good. Good job. And what's Maureen doing? Maureen, what are you doing?
He's putting a fertilizer.
Oh, she's adding fertilizer? What, nitrogen to the corns?
Yeah.
Oh, and I see the corn you're growing beans with it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The beans are flowering. Yeah? Nice. Nice job. Good job.